ain't too fat. Y'all see it. Y'all wanna follow it. So I'm finna do a little POV drawing. My little intro shit for my YouTube, man. Y'all see it. I'm gonna get a lot of shit done though. Turn all this shit out. They might try to copyright me. Disconnected. Alright. Man, it's cold, man. It's like 34 degrees outside. Turn the heat on this joint. Yo, man. For this, try this YouTube out though. Could do a little POV drive. Yeah. Can't really do nothing though, it's wet outside. How my shit gonna do a spin? I forgot to turn it on anyway. You feel me? Man, the corner store closed. Hood store closed. Everything look closed today. I'm hungry, bro. Oh, that I'm joint open. I can't even cut up, bro. The laws, man. If I cut up, man, they gonna taking my car. And now they got pulled over. I ain't even paid my ticket yet. Go to court today, but I ain't going. Nah, kidding me. I'll pay that shit later. Man, why they going slow, bro? But yeah, though, I'm gonna try to link up with my boy Cozy Key. Man, we're gonna turn our town up. We're gonna do a lot of pranks, POV drives. But when I get back, I'm going to go get a lot of. I'm going to get a lot of shit on my car. Right now, it just look plain. But man, when I come back from work, I'm getting a lot. It's a lot. Yeah, man. Y'all hit that like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what y'all want me to do. I'll let y'all.